Welcome back, Wealth-Wise family. Today, we embark on a comprehensive exploration into the world of passive income, with a laser-focused lens on the boundless potential of real estate investments. If you've ever dared to dream of financial freedom through strategic property ventures, consider this your roadmap. But before we dive into the intricacies, ensure you're part of the Wealth-Wise community by hitting that subscribe button and activating the notification bell. I'm Steve, your guide in the realm of real estate, with 20 years of experience navigating its twists and turns. Today, I unveil the strategies that have not just dipped toes but mastered the waters of generating passive income through real estate investments. Section 1. Understanding passive income. Define passive income. To embark on this journey, we need to grasp the essence of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, a financial engine that runs without your constant intervention. In the realm of real estate, this translates to a steady influx of cash through rental payments, dividends from real estate investment trusts, and other income-generating avenues. Passive income, in essence, is about creating assets that work for you, freeing up your time and energy for pursuits beyond the daily grind. Benefits of passive income in real estate. Now, why choose real estate as the canvas for your financial masterpiece? The benefits are manifold. Firstly, there's the allure of consistent cash flow, a monthly dividend that can provide stability even in the most unpredictable economic climates. Then, there's the phenomenon of long-term appreciation, where the value of your properties appreciates over time, adding a layer of wealth building to your investment. Lastly, real estate offers the unique advantage of leverage, allowing you to use other people's money to amplify your returns. It's not just about owning properties. It's about orchestrating them to compose a symphony of financial success. As we dive deeper into understanding passive income, it's essential to recognize the power of compounding within real estate investments. Unlike traditional income sources that rely on your direct effort, passive income compounds over time. The rental income you receive can be reinvested, further enhancing your portfolio and increasing your overall returns. This compounding effect acts as a force multiplier, accelerating your journey towards financial independence. Consider this compounding effect as the engine that propels your financial ship forward. With each passing month, your income grows not just linearly but exponentially. As you reinvest your earnings, the snowball effect takes place, creating a self-sustaining cycle of wealth generation. Understanding and harnessing this compounding power is a key element in the mastery of passive income. Section 2. Getting started in real estate. Research and education. Before venturing into the real estate arena, arm yourself with knowledge. The first step is understanding the language of real estate, the market dynamics, and the different types of properties available. Dive into resources that demystify real estate concepts, from classic books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki to online courses offered by reputable platforms. By immersing yourself in the fundamentals, you lay the groundwork for informed decision-making. Choosing the right investment strategy. Real estate isn't a one-size-fits-all realm. It offers a spectrum of investment strategies, each with its own set of nuances and potential returns. Becoming a landlord brings the responsibility of property management, while flipping properties demands a keen eye for market trends. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide a hands-off approach, allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties. We'll delve deep into each strategy, helping you uncover which aligns seamlessly with your financial aspirations and risk tolerance. As you embark on your real estate journey, consider the importance of setting clear and realistic financial goals. Define what financial success looks like for you, whether it's achieving a specific level of monthly passive income, owning a certain number of properties, or reaching a targeted net worth. Having these goals in mind will guide your investment decisions and provide a roadmap for your real estate endeavors. Remember, your goals act as the North Star, guiding you through the vast landscape of real estate possibilities. They serve as a compass, ensuring that every decision and investment aligns with your overarching vision for financial success. Regularly revisit and reassess your goals as your real estate journey progresses, allowing for adjustments and refinements based on your evolving financial landscape. Section 3. Building and managing your portfolio. Strategic property selection. Choosing the right property is akin to selecting chess pieces strategically. Location is the queen, influencing the entire game. Market trends act as bishops, guiding your moves. Potential for appreciation is the knight, making unexpected leaps. We'll dissect these elements, offering a comprehensive guide to strategic property selection. From emerging neighborhoods to historical data analysis, we'll equip you with the tools to sculpt a portfolio that not only generates passive income but stands resilient in the face of market fluctuations. Effective property management. Owning real estate isn't a passive endeavor, despite the allure of passive income. Effective property management is the secret ingredient to transforming your properties from mere assets into flourishing investments. We'll explore the delicate art of tenant relations, maintenance protocols, and harnessing technology to streamline property management processes. After all, the key to sustained passive income lies not just in acquiring properties, but in nurturing and optimizing them. When it comes to building and managing your real estate portfolio, diversification is a crucial principle. While it's tempting to focus on a single property type or location, spreading your investments across different assets can help mitigate risks. Diversification acts as a safety net, ensuring that a downturn in one segment of the market doesn't have a catastrophic impact on your overall portfolio. This risk management strategy is a cornerstone of successful, resilient real estate portfolios. Beyond diversification, consider the importance of staying abreast of emerging real estate trends. The market is dynamic, and understanding shifts in demand, design preferences, and technology can provide a competitive edge. Regularly educate yourself on industry innovations, attend networking events, and engage with real estate communities to stay ahead of the curve. By anticipating trends, you position yourself to make informed decisions that enhance the value and profitability of your portfolio. Section 4. Maximizing returns. Optimizing cash flow. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of passive income cash flow. It's not just about collecting rent. It's about maximizing the returns on your investment. We'll delve into the strategies that transform your properties into veritable cash-generating machines. From setting optimal rental prices to making strategic property improvements and effectively managing expenses, we'll guide you through the terrain of cash flow optimization. After all, a well-managed cash flow is the cornerstone of a profitable real estate venture. Appreciation and equity building. While immediate returns are gratifying, the true magic of real estate lies in long-term wealth building. Property appreciation and equity building are the silent architects of lasting financial success. We'll take a magnifying glass to how real estate values tend to appreciate over time, adding layers of wealth to your portfolio. Understanding the mechanisms of appreciation and equity building is crucial for sculpting a real estate portfolio that stands the test of time. As you embark on the journey of maximizing returns, consider the role of strategic renovations and improvements. Upgrading key elements of a property can not only enhance its value but also attract higher quality tenants willing to pay premium rents. Whether it's updating kitchens and bathrooms or incorporating energy-efficient features, thoughtful improvements can be a catalyst for increased property appreciation and long-term financial gains. Beyond property improvements, explore the potential of refinancing as a means to unlock additional capital. As your properties appreciate in value, refinancing allows you to tap into that equity, providing you with funds for further investments or improvements. However, approach refinancing with careful consideration, weighing the benefits against the associated costs and risks. When done strategically, refinancing can be a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. Section 5. Avoiding common pitfalls. Risks and mitigations. Real estate, like any investment, isn't without its share of pitfalls. However, awareness and preparation are important tools for mitigation. We'll navigate through common risks, from economic downturns to unexpected property expenses, offering effective strategies to shield your investments. Recognizing and proactively addressing potential challenges positions you as a savvy investor, ready to weather the storms and emerge stronger. Market trends and adaptability. The real estate market is a dynamic organism influenced by economic shifts, demographic changes, and societal trends. Staying attuned to market trends is not merely a passive act of observation. It's about proactive adaptation. We'll explore how an adaptable mindset can be a linchpin in your long-term success. From understanding the impact of technological advancements to foreseeing demographic shifts, being a proactive player in the real estate market sets you on a trajectory of sustained success. As you navigate the landscape of common pitfalls, consider the importance of building a financial cushion. Having a reserve fund set aside for unexpected expenses, vacancies, or market downturns provides a safety net that allows you to weather challenges without compromising your overall financial stability. This financial cushion acts as a buffer, ensuring that your real estate investments remain resilient in the face of uncertainties. Beyond financial safeguards, cultivate a proactive approach to risk management. Regularly assess your portfolio, identifying potential vulnerabilities and implementing strategies to mitigate risks. This might involve diversifying your property types or geographic locations, maintaining strong tenant relations to reduce vacancies, and staying informed about local and global economic trends that could impact the real estate market. By staying one step ahead, you position yourself to navigate the ever-changing landscape of real estate investing with confidence. Conclusion. In summarizing this extensive journey into mastering passive income through real estate, let's acknowledge the ground covered. From the fundamentals of passive income to the unique advantages real estate offers, how to get started, build and manage a portfolio, maximize returns, and avoid common pitfalls, we've traversed the landscape of real estate investing. If you've journeyed with me thus far, kudos. The path to mastering passive income is an ongoing exploration, and your commitment to learning and applying these principles is commendable. Before we part ways, share your thoughts in the comments. Are you already entrenched in the world of real estate, or is this a new frontier for you? Let's cultivate a community of astute real estate investors right here on WealthWise. And, of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In the next video, we'll delve into advanced real estate investment techniques that can catapult your passive income to new heights. Until then, happy investing!